Hello, in this video I'm going to quickly show you how you can open an image using Python script. So we'll click on this particular plus button and we'll be able to get a new launcher, and in this launcher we are going to open the text file, and we'll rename this text file as a script.py. Script.py file, and here we will import cv2, and we'll import our image, that cv2.im read, that is puppy image.jpg. Next we are going to use a while loop in order to get the windows in our local machine and keep the window open until we press any button, like any keyboard button like enter or escape button. So what we will show you is cv2.im show, and we'll use puppy, and we'll pass this particular array, and we will use if cv2 dot wait keys of 1 and operation 0 ff auto 27 will break particular loop. And next what we'll do, save this particular Python script. Again we'll go to this plus command and we'll open a new terminal. Here you can see I am in a desktop, so I will redirect to the folder. In this folder I have the Python script, so I will run like Python script.py. Oops, I got a typo. Okay, this is, I think, will be the caps. Yes, I need to take care of this. Let's run it again. Yeah, here you can see the new window is opened and we have the puppy image. What you can do, you can press escape key in order to close a particular image. But if you do the same thing in a Jupyter notebook, your kernel will die and you have to restart your kernel. So that's it in this video. Is a simple small video with while using the loop while true, and we are using the same cv2.im show function, and we are using the simple if statement, if wait key of 1 and osff. Basically this ox0xff is nothing but it is waiting for the user to press any key in order to break this while true loop. Thanks, and I will see you next video. Until then, goodbye.